Al, you're battling gold on a very volatile day. It's down almost 5%. I haven't really been talking. That was probably just a massive liquidation. Gold will get an epic bounce sooner or later. When's it going to happen, though? Got monthly VWAP at 110. Super thin, too. I mean, I think we already bounced here. Looks like lower to me. But I don't know, I could be wrong. I don't know. I'm totally, not in the position right now. There you go. Well, before we say things like the bottom is falling out on NQ, let's look at the higher time frame real quick. This is the bottom falling out on NQ. This is a little baby micro pullback still. We're still in yesterday's value area. We never left it. I mean, we peaked to the bottom of this little distribution we formed yesterday, and we still haven't broken it. Gold, on the other hand, that's a significant pullback. We're approaching that. That would be a fun buy spot right there. 112. I'm going to put a little bit of a hop over to my Apex. Big rotations. It was a nice long. I grabbed that guy with you guys in my Apex. That was the last liquidation. Now it goes up. That's so frustrating on NQ. For anybody who is long, probably stopped out here, and now it's going back up. That's so annoying. Wild. Back test? Or is this too early in the rotation? I don't know. I kind of like it long. Back test. Weekly VWAP. But these rotations have been huge. So long at 50 and 3/4. Goes 10 points there. See if we can get back up to VWAP. Upper band 70 VWAP, Globex VWAP 70. So that seems like a good profit target. Almost. Put my stop at break even here. And it came right to my order. That's annoying. Right to the value area high. My order was like, what, 2 ticks above it? Yeah, we got a divergence on the delta here, don't we? Still holding long, 50 3/4. I think I might take my profit here. So I took 10 points. So I don't think, I mean, it's possible, yeah. It's really not VWAP bounce conditions anymore because we're trading. You could go for a VWAP scalp, but we have a distribution right here. So this would be a fade value area high off this distribution. But since we've been trading in the VWAP bands a couple of times, the VWAP bounce is off. You could try and scalp it. You might get another reaction there. There it goes. But it's not a technical VWAP bounce. It doesn't meet the criteria. This one met the criteria. Yeah, it sold off there pretty hard, didn't it? We got gold approaching. Here it is. Who's taking it? I don't know. That looks like a capitulation there. I'll take it. Let's go. I'm in. 419. Terrible price. A little too slow there. There was already a big bounce there. All right, we're watching this monthly VWAP bounce right here. Let's see if it holds. Right here. The high conviction level. I mean, if we get a real bounce there, guys, this can bounce 400 ticks easily and fast. It could also flush this area by another 400 ticks. Man, sellers keep pounding this thing. Woo boy. So careful because it can. Oh yeah, look at all the sellers. That could be even more stop. That could be a stop run. See what it does. Right? We don't always play it to the tick, especially on the monthly. Right? Look at these levels here. Right, let's see if it reclaims here. Or they just keep smashing it.
Gold extends losses last down over 6%. That's at around $4,085 an ounce.
Gold was down 6%. 6%. All right. I mean, it reclaimed here. Buyers stepping in. Let's go. Buyers are here. It's tough. Tough to trade. When you got to give it a little room to be right. Let's go gold. So volatile, so thin. Right to my order. Hey, Jimmy. That would be an epic long. Easily can jump to 40 from here after that sell-off. High time frame level holding. Flushed it. too shabby, guys. Not too shabby at all. Who grabbed it? It was tough. There was a flush, but on the reclaim was nice. I'm gonna take it here. Not bad at all. The level worked. And it worked nice. It's just there was a flashacito of that level. Capitulation. Right, reclaim. Real bounce is underway. Now, how much it bounces, that's hard to say. It's a contrarian trade.
Spot gold now falls at 6.3% in its biggest one-day drop since April 2013.
Biggest one-day drop since April 23rd, April 13th. It was the double trap on NQ. And gee, look where it bounced, guys. So weird that it would bounce right off the monthly upper band like that. Twice.
Silver as well falls as much as 8 spots.
Jake, that's hilarious.
Silver's biggest.
Jake says, I'm telling you, there's money to be made in these markets if we could just come up with some type of system to identify the setups ahead of time.
It's up around spot 1-3%.
It was not an easy market to trade, but the setups were there. We had a distribution. Edge of distribution was at the monthly upper band, chopped quite a bit around weekly VWAP, right? So that was a tough setup. All right, we bounced once, we broke below it, bounced above it, back down, bounced off of it, up above it, down again, right? And it's right there. So, but the monthly was fire. That was a good short if you were brave enough to take that in this market condition where we're, 100 points away from all-time highs. Nice, David. You long ES? Oh, NQ. Gotcha. That's a real failed breakdown. Go for it, Chuck. Let me know how it goes. I mean, look at this higher time frame chart. You still want to short that right there? I mean, we do have a pretty clean distribution. If you do break out, just make sure you stop out. I mean, look at the Dow, ES, Russell.
Thanks for the ministry statement. China's Commerce Minister held video talks with the EU.
Crazy. I'll be right back. This is all time. I mean, we have man, I don't know if I'd short that, dude. Look at that. What? We already had the Madonna. Madonna was here. No such thing as a second Madonna.
So from this ministry statement as well, the two sides discussed export control and EU anti-subsidy care against Chinese EVs.
Yeah, you can't get touched for the first time twice. Madonna is just a fade value or extreme, Spartan. It's a core setup. Fade value or extreme on the initial balance. It's just the first time the initial balance gets gets tested. There you go. Almost touched it. Almost. Would you look at that? Nice rejection. You guys caught it. Good job. Chris M., you should watch my video on cumulative delta to understand what a divergence is. Back to the VWAP.
So we're seeing from graphic wires that Europe's auto industry braces for chip-linked output curves in a few days. So Europe's auto industry is preparing for production disruption within days because of China's export restrictions on semiconductors made by Nexperia. Chip shortages are likely to hit key suppliers within a week, while the impact could spread across the entire sector within 10 to 20 days. Car makers and their suppliers are holding crisis meetings with government officials to map out contingency plans, but have warned that sourcing and qualifying replacement components will take months.
So that was a nice setup. Glad you guys took it because I wasn't going to take it. I got to take it easy on days like today where I don't feel right. I didn't sleep well. Jake, why are you doing that? Do you have to stand up, walk away? How's the timer?
China hopes the EU.
Nice, Byron.
Well,
Looks like you got your account sorted. Told you. Told you it would happen. Yeah, I'm exhausted. I'm probably going to call it a little early today because I'm running a class at 11:30 with Inner Circle, so I need to take a little break here. Oh, nice. Good for her. Lucky. She's in Hawaii. Lucky wife. Guys, I'm going to call it a little early today just because I had a rough night's sleep and it's been a tough 24 hours for me. So if you're going to keep trading, manage your risk, stay sharp. Head on over to the trading lounge. I know some of those guys and gals will be sharing their mics and screens, and you guys can collaborate on the system and the trades. Good market commentary from a lot of those traders, so that's a good spot to go if you want to keep on trading. That's for premium members. Nice, Corey. Good work. And I will be back at it tonight. We'll actually do the evening stream at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll take a rest. Take a little nap, and I'll see you guys this evening.
China and the EU.
Have a great day. Manage your risk. Stay sharp, and I'll see everybody this evening. And then on my Inner Circle, I'll see you guys in about 20 minutes. And everybody else.